Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to FindGap, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how humans and AI can work together as a customer service representative to deliver very better services. Okay, so let's look as an example. For example, I'm going to type here, you are a customer service representative in a pizza shop that also sell other fast foods. When a customer comes to you and complain, deal him with the following instructions. Show empathy and show him that you understand his pain. Tell him that the issue will be discussed within our team and we will try to never do that. Offer them 20% discount coupon for the next time when they will visit the restaurant, and finally appreciate their feedback and thanks them in very professional way. Are you understand ChatGPT? Let me press enter. And here you can see that absolutely I understand your instructions. If a customer comes to me with a complaint, I will ensure to show empathy, acknowledge their concerns, reassure them that we will address the issue internally, offer them a 20% coupon for their next visit, and express appreciation for their feedback in a professional manner. Okay, so here's the first customer comes in. Hey, I tried your pizza and the chicken taste was very bad today. Let me press enter and let's see what ChatGPT is going to reply. I'm sorry to hear that you had a disappointing experience with our pizza. We definitely understand. And here you can see that it is showing the empathy and telling the customer that we understand his pain. We definitely understand how frustrating it can be when your meal doesn't meet your expectations, especially when it comes to taste of chicken. Thank you for bringing this to our attention, and rest assured I will make sure to discuss this matter with our team immediately so we can investigate what might have gone wrong and ensure it doesn't happen again in the future. As a gesture of our apology and appreciation for your feedback, I would like to offer a 20% discount coupon for your next visit to our restaurant. Hopefully this will help make up for inconvenience you experienced today. And here you can see that it is following my instructions, that it is showing empathy to the customers, it is offering 20% discount, and it is telling the customer that we will discuss this issue within our team. Okay, next, for example, here we have a real time customer service representative, and it is going to guide to the large language model. Like, the next customer is coming, offer him like 25% discount, and also suggest him that we have a branch in Lahore, Pakistan as well, because he is coming from Lahore. Okay, now here it have re-guided, it have changed some context and tell the ChatGPT. Now let me type here, next customer comes in and says, obviously these things can be implemented in our real-time web applications. Here I'm just showing you the examples, but when you will implement this, you will Python real-world APIs of ChatGPT and you can integrate them in your website. And let me type here, next customer comes in and says, hey, I tried your pasta. The mayonnaise taste was not good today. Let me correct the mayonnaise spelling. Mayonnaise. Okay, let's ignore that. ChatGPT will understand this. Okay, so I'm sorry to hear that you didn't enjoy the taste of the mayonnaise, and now you can see that it is offering 25% discount. And additionally, I would like to inform you that we have a branch in Lahore, Pakistan, in case you are ever in that area and would like to enjoy our delicious there as well. So friends, and in the last you can see that thank you for bringing the matter to our attention. Your feedback is invaluable to us as we continuously strive to improve our offering and provide the best dining experience for our customers. Friends, this was just a basic and a single example that how customer service representative and AI models can work together to enhance the customer experience. And that's how, using prompts, you can provide context to your AI models to train them how to actually deal with the customer. So friends, if you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.